Mina's Cocoon. Hope you all are doing great. I just thought of conducting an online English reading class, especially for parents, those who are finding little difficult in making your child reading English. I'll be uploading the videos regularly on regular intervals in the name of Online English Reading Class. It's going to be a continuous video through which I'll show you how to teach your child from the sounds of a letter till a paragraph. These are the topics which I'm planning to cover in my future videos. The first one is the sounds of alphabet. That is the most important one. When we are introducing the sounds of each letter, we should make sure that our kids are able to remember the sounds of each letter forever. So I'm going to use some of the methodology. That's what I'm going to mention here. We can introduce the sounds of alphabet in 3 ways. The first one is through a rhyme, second one is through a story, and the third one is through a playway activity. So these are the topics which I'll be covering in my future video. The second point is joining letters. While introducing this topic, I'll show you how to join 2 letters, especially with consonant and vowel, or vowel with the vowels and double consonants. So I'll elaborate each topic in a detailed way. The third topic is sight words. While introducing this topic, I'll show you how to introduce the sight words and what are the words we're supposed to choose according to our child's level, and how to prepare a sight words for your child. The fourth point is introduction of vowels and consonants. While introducing these vowels and consonants, I will show you the different methodologies to introduce these vowels and consonants. Especially, we have some stories for all these topics and we have some activity for all these topics. So, based on the activity and story, I'll just show you how to practice these topics. The next topic is Cvc words. While introducing Cvc words, I will try to cover most of the words which is with consonant, vowel and consonant based words, especially vowels with A, E, I, O and U words. And also planning to cover on these topics, especially silent E words. There are some spelling rules which I will be sharing with you, and short vowel and long vowel words, those words which with double O, double E, O, U words. And also I'll be covering the topics on digraph, diphthongs, and at last I'll show you how to make your child read a paragraph. Yes, I'll show you what are the easy steps to make your child read a paragraph without any difficulty. So now those who are ready to join the class can subscribe this channel and also click the bell button so that you will get the notification immediately as soon as I upload the video. So see you all soon in our day 1 class. Till that, take care. Bye bye.